Hello, everybody. So based on the previous video, let's read this graph. So you've read the description above. If not, pause and do so now. So let's label the different parts of the graph, right? Each of the parts with a different slope, that's what I'm going to label. So the initial part is a slow constant speed. It's a flat line, but it's got a steady incline. So that means the distance is slowly getting further from origin, and time is progressing steadily, so it's a slow, constant speed. In the next one, time is moving on, but the height or the distance that's changed is not changing at all. So that means that we're standing still. All right, so this must be the kid walking and then waiting for the bus. And then zone 3 is you're on the bus and it's going at a decent constant speed, quicker than before, obviously quicker than walking because it's a steeper incline. And then later we have, so it's not horizontal. It's got a flat slope, which means it's a constant speed, and the steepness indicates how fast you're going. And then the fourth part, we're continuing towards school at a slower speed. So maybe the bus has arrived and it's waiting in line and slowly creeping up to the school or whatever. So we're trying to interpret these graphs based on the relationship in change in distance and change in time. The main thing you want to do is relate the two changes. Oops, my bad, wrong video. There you go. All right, see you next class.